So this is a demonstration of how to remove a hard drive from an IBM ThinkPad T23. This is a pretty old machine. It's about 10 years old, but it's actually relatively simple to remove the hard drive. If you go to the bottom, there's an infrared port here, or beam, and all you need to do is there's one screw here. You don't even need a screwdriver, you can just use a coin. You remove that screw, and then you need to open the screen, and you simply need to pull and push on the casing here, and you pull it out, and there's the hard drive. Very, very simple to remove. So that is how you remove the hard drive from an IBM ThinkPad T23.